The first step to confirming a YouTube channel is to go to your BrandBacker profile page. From there, open your content channels. This will show you all the channels you have ownership of. For this user, they are adding a YouTube channel. To add this account, they type their account title and URL. Then the account waits to confirm. To ensure confirmation, the user must do two things. 1. Subscribe to BrandBacker on YouTube, and 2. Add BrandBacker into their About section. Once they have done this, they need to add the channel sync bookmarklet to their bookmarks bar. This is provided on the BrandBacker site. This only needs to be done once, so if they have already installed this bookmarklet for a different channel, they do not need to do it again. Once adding the bookmark, the user navigates to their About page on their YouTube profile and presses the channel sync bookmarklet. This will confirm ownership immediately. Once confirming, the user can reload the page and see all the channels they have ownership of. The stats have updated for social accounts, but the overall total reach numbers and scores can take up to an hour to catch up.